Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get Mac OS like mouse cursor in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as Mac OS cursor for Windows, and firstly you will see its developer website. Just click on it. Just click on this releases. Just below the assets you will see a source code. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now just open this Shira and newer folder. Now just open this with shadow. Now you can select whether normal, large or extra large. So I'm gonna select here normal folder. Now you'll see here one file install of. Just right mouse click on it. Click on show more options. Now here you will see your install option. Just click on it. So finally the mouse cursor has been installed successfully. Now you can see the mouse properties window showing up. Now just click on this option. Now just select this Mac OS cursor with shadow newer and click on apply. Click on yes. Click on OK. Now finally you can see we have got the Mac OS like mouse cursor on our respective Windows computer. And now if you want to restore it back, then just click on this Windows Start menu icon and just search for mouse settings. And now you'll see here mouse settings option. Just click on it. Scroll down below. Now just click on this additional mouse settings. Now it will open the mouse properties. Now just click on this pointers. Click on this option. Now select Windows default system scheme. Click on apply. Now it will restore back to the default Windows mouse cursor. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get Mac OS like mouse cursor in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.